broke previous. We've actually broke highs and lows of the previous hourly candle, which was an inside bar. 4 hour has created a nice tight wick. We've actually got a break and a tap on the 4 hour time frame at that AOI level. But again, inside bar on the 4 hour. Stops are actually above the current 4 hour high, which is right. This does look a bit like this gap. I don't really worry about gaps too much, but what's up, Coops? What's happening, bro? Taking dubs. Well, let's see. Let's see what happens here. This 30-minute is not looking good. Six minutes left. Take profit to break even? Not yet. We gotta wait and see how this 30-minute candle closes. I'll wait and see. We can do what is new? What news is this? ISM manufacturing PMI. We got news tonight. Nothing too major, I don't think. 2 a.m. Bro, my next door neighbors have got their music blasting right now. You guys hear it or not? It's just the bass, man. I can just feel the bass like. Worse when you feel it in your chest. It's like I don't mind it. They never really play music. I've never really heard music from them before, apart from today, really. But like when you're trying to lock in and concentrate, and you just hear. Doo, 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 doo. 4 minutes. 4 minute. What's looking cooked? See, man. Let's wait and see. What's up, 6M? EJ? What's happening, EJ? How's everyone doing? Yeah, this trade is based on like the 4 hour time frame. You can see we got the AOI level right here. If I turn this on, Got a nice AOI. We got a break and tap of the AOI on the 4 hour time frame. Nice bearish momentum. Um, you know, overall current structure and everything. This momentum right here is obviously very bearish. We've had a nice pullback, kind of early today, and then created this gap, and price started to come back down. So I'm looking to just capture that momentum back to the downside. You can see a lot of messy candles in here. We broke back below this AOI level, break and tap this AOI level. We actually grabbed liquidity from the 12-hour highs as well. You can see the 12-hour bearish highs over here that we've closed back below. We've grabbed liquidity below there. And then this 30-minute candle, kind of giving like, closure above, closure back below the AY, created a really nice steep top wick, and then started driving down, breaking the lows. So I was just anticipating it to come into the IBO, where we could look for obviously an IBO entry, um, and just manage the trade. Then after that, move stops to break even potentially, but just look trying to capture that momentum. Yeah, the Euro USD trade as well. But let's see. We got a minute. We're gonna look for this next candle to create some sort of bottom wick, and we'll look to get out at break even. At what level? The IBO? Fuck me, man. The music is pissing me off now. I don't know. Literally never heard this music often before like this. All right, what's gold gonna do here? We're gonna look to push down. I'll look to get out. Getting out of the Euro USD trade there. From earlier. Gold. What's gold gonna do? Yeah, earlier before before I hopped on the stream. Um, I mean, it was looking good. Took a sell. Started pushing down here, but I just got out up here at break even. This candle pushed back up because it didn't create a top wick. Hourly candle did not create a top wick. All right, so we're gonna look at getting out of gold in a second. If we start coming down, the hourly did close bearish. Um, We have created a short hourly top which we could start driving down into this area. So I'm going to look to get out at break even in a second if we come down. Um, yeah, because that previous 30-minute candle, not good. It's not what we want to see. Basically, might have moved my stops to my take profit to break even here. Do do. Uh-huh. Bottom wick formed. Why is my chart doing this, man? Getting that fucking gap in the window. I don't know why it started doing this. Just, I just changed this up because it wasn't exactly accurate. And I just did it quickly when we got triggered. Level. TP to break even. Dad's birthday this week, so I need to buy him something. My sister's like messaging me. Can you have a look at this? Can you have a look at this? He wants a shaver. Yeah. So I gotta look at it because I'm the man and I know what a good shaver is and what a bad one is, apparently, according to my sister. Um, new irritation free 7D head shaver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Jesus Christ. is. Amazon. Can't. .au. Dot. Is it Vera? Vero shade. Vero shade. Wednesday, 19th of March. No way. Get it Saturday, March 15th. Well, not going to be able to get this one. He wants to wait 2 weeks. Manscaped, yeah. I mean, he sent the one he wants. Never heard of their brand before, but and I'm gonna have to look at this later. Too much right now. It's too much for me right now. Any shaver's a good shaver. Just wrap yours up and give it to him. I think he'd appreciate that. Ooh, coming up. Gold's pushing. All right, we tapped the AOI. We tapped that AOI. So let's see. It's gonna do what it wants to do right now. There's nothing we can do except just wait and see how this candle closes. If this candle closes bullish, then we just gotta wait and see what happens. Gotta wait and see what happens. We got 2 minutes until this 15-minute closes. Second. Have a look at my candles here. Uh-huh. We just got to wait and see. The patient game right now. Why has gold started doing this on Oanda? Started having these gaps all of a sudden now. We never used to see this. Look at this on the 15-minute time frame. It's huge. Do we have hourly? Just the first, yeah. The hourly is created top wick. What we don't want to see, we've got a break and tap. We've got the break and tap on the hourly. So we've broke below the AY, we've tapped it. We've still got 44 minutes left. What we don't want to see is an hourly liquidity grab because of this consolidation in here. Spike out these hourly highs for it to then to reverse, you know? What we don't want to see. But we got the break and tap on the hourly. So let's see if it can start driving back down to our entry where we can get out of break even and look for another opportunity. All right, bro. Move your take profit to like entry or just below it or something. Come on, gold. Do something. I'm hungry. Stop me out. Get me out break even. But do something. I want some food. Gold said, yeah, bet. No worries. Let me just take you out. Stop loss so you can go eat some food. I said, no worries, man. I got you, bro. You can count on me. It is what it is, bro. A loss is a loss, you know? We'll catch the next. Just playing the game. That's all we can do, man. Play the game. End of the month, start of a new month, always very tricky. Always very tricky. So you just got to do your best to navigate it, manage your risk, make sure you're not doing anything crazy. But again, just the only thing you can do is show up, execute on your trades. That's it, man. That's all we can do. Manage risk from there. I want to see how this 30 closes. It's really annoying me right now because it's just like flipping bullish, then it's flipping bearish, then it's flipping bullish, then it's flipping bearish. Teasing. It's teasing us. Someone messaged me on TikTok saying, "Hi, I've been looking for a good friend I can trade gold with. So I was hoping to have a conversation with you." All right, man. What's up? You want to have a conversation about, man? Gold? What do I reply to that? Hey, let's talk. Oh, you want to have a conversation about gold? Yeah, good idea. Fuck, my door just opened and nobody's there. What was the comment? it was just some guy on Instagram posted commented on one of my posts. I get ready to close the break even in a second, all right? But it was just a guy on one of my Instagram posts just commenting some bullshit. Um And I was just like, dude, just leave it out. He was basically just saying, um, he was talking about one of the videos that I did, and he was like, "Oh, what is this? You're just drawing lines on a chart and hoping for the best." And I was like, I was just explaining to him, like, trading, it's basically 50-50, but nobody knows which way the market's going to go. Nobody knows if it's going to go bullish or bearish, but we can do our analysis, and we can manage risk, manage the trades, and go from there. Like, we can build our confluences and build our percentages from there, manage the trade, manage risk, and blah 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 blah. All right, I'm gonna get out there as well. I just closed that. Pretty much where we entered, so I'm happy with that. You got about 6 minutes left of this 30-minute candle. It's probably just gonna sell off, but I'm out. So that was a W right there on patience. Jeez, all kinds of alerts going off here. That was a W here on um, patience and discipline, trusting in the analysis. All right, that's what we do. Now look for more sales. Yeah, at this point, the way the price action is playing out, I'll just wait for like an IBO potentially, because this is just very choppy in here now. My mate sounds like a flog. Sucks his mom didn't swallow it. Can always count on Coops to say it how it is, isn't it? But yeah, he was just annoying me, man. Like, it was very. Let me like. I'll say this. It was very, very petty of me to comment back on that guy. But I just think, right, this guy is commenting on my videos, calling me a scammer, calling me all the names under the sun, right? And this motherfucker does not even know me, and he has no idea about how I trade, what I'm set up with. And he's telling me like, "Oh, you're just selling a course, you're scamming people, you don't know how to trade." I'm like, dude, I don't even sell a course, right? I call it the V5 course for the indicator, but it's basically just like showing you how to use it. It's not a course. I was like, bro, I don't even sell a course, man. Like, I live trade, I do signals, I do a copy trader. Like, you can't fake that, right? If I was to try and be a scammer, how is that gonna work if I didn't know how to trade and I'm selling signals and live trading? It just doesn't work. It doesn't make sense. And he's like, no, if your signals worked, if your live trading worked, you wouldn't need to charge people. And I'm like, it's if you really understood money, you would know it's about multiple income streams, right? Everybody wants to have multiple income streams. Everybody, why should I just only make a certain percentage of trading when I can charge for a Discord for people to live trade with me and learn and make extra income? Like, that's just anybody will do that, right? If someone says to you, "Oh, you could have like 10K a month right here, or you could have an extra another 10K a month," and you're not going to go, nah, I'm all right with just a 10K a month. You're going to go, yeah, all right, then I'll have 10K a month plus 10K a month, 20K a month. That's more money for me, right? Anybody's going to make that decision. Everybody's going to do it. And if it's legit, then there's no problem with it. But I know I should ignore them. I know I shouldn't let these people get to my head. And I understand that it's going to be more of that, the more like we grow. But I just think like this dude would never say that to my face in real life. And I just think these kids on fucking social media, like, why should I just let him come on my page and comment some shit and just think that he can just do that shit without any repercussions? So I was just like, nah, man, this dude's getting. I'm telling this dude about himself. So I was being nice, I was just trying to explain, you know, I'm not that kind of person. I was saying, come and join. Like, I'll give you a free membership right now. Like, come and watch me live trade. Blah blah blah. And he was just not having any of it. I know he was just being a troll, but it is what it is. You just know when you're having one of those days and you're just like, who the fuck are you? Like, why are you here, man? Just go away. There we go. Another day getting out of break even where we'd be in profit. I mean, this oh, what just happened there? Euro USD. Yeah, that would have been beautiful profit. Look at that. That would have been oh, wow, about 13 pips profit, but would have been sitting in nice profit right now. But I got out of that break even too. Itty what itty. That was a beautiful 1 hour breakout there. Break and tap as well of the IBO. It is what it is. We're building, you know. We're gonna get a 30-minute breakout here or what? 1 minute, 2 minutes. If we get this trade, I'm gonna enter it and then I'm gonna go probably end the stream and go have some food because it's 7:30 p.m. I need to eat. But let's wait and see. You'll see it. You'll see it, Coops, in the signals channel. If you have a look in the signals channel now, it shows the lots on the entry. 0.05. So whatever the lot is, it will show you in the signals now. So we're rejecting here, so that's cool. I guarantee you it's not even 5.5 yet. This is what I mean though, and this is why I get annoyed because these people would not say this to my face in real life, you know? And I just think uh, sometimes it's just difficult separating real life and social media, and you gotta see social media as it just being fake, even though it's not, you know? Even though people can just come on anytime and just completely disrespect you and trash you for no reason whatsoever, and I just have to accept that. I just think, nah, man, fuck that. But in the end, you just look back and you think I should have just fucking deleted the comment, you know. But at the same time, if I start deleting comments, then they're gonna be like, oh, you're deleting comments. See, you're not legit. Like you don't want people to see these comments. So I try my best to reply with some sort of like you know, hey man, like it is what it is. I do this, I do that. I try and like explain a little bit and try and reason with them, but I shouldn't do that. But anyway, just a different generation, you know. I can't take disrespect like that. I just want to fight straight away. I'm just like, who the fuck are you talking to, man? But anyway, you gonna head off, Tony?